What's up, YouTube? This is Dan Neo Mustangs. I have a set of cargo straps in front of me. Please like and subscribe for future content of my channel. I appreciate all the support. This video is an informative video, and we're going to use two cars for reference. We're going to use the blue car that we're building and the white car that we're using for parts and parting out. Now, this is specifically designed for people who are very interested in making their car 100% a resto project, which isn't going to be uncommon. It's not uncommon now. But these two cargo straps here are found in hatchback hatchback sunroof cars. The difference is the hardtops did not have this straps. If you had a factory sunroof car, you had a sunroof that was removable, and you had a sunroof bag, as well as those two straps in the rear of your car. If you notice, I'm going to show you, this is a factory sunroof car, the parts car. If you come in here, you'll see somebody cut it, but this is the single straps here. You know, this is where the trim bolts to. That's the single strap, and there should be a strap there, and it's cut. And if you look up here in the front of the hatch, right behind where the rear seat frame bolts, there's two screw holes. Those have been, you know, riveted in, or whatever those are called. But anyways, this is a factory sunroof car, so when you put your sunroof in a bag and put it in the back, you strapped it, I would imagine it was a safety feature. So for those people who are doing full restos that don't know this, I wanted to actually make a video, because these things are usually missing by that point. I have many sunroof cars that I parted out, and these weren't even there. So especially both of them. So they're kind of a rare commodity to find together. Now, I'm going to use this car as a reference. This is not a factory sunroof car. This is an aftermarket sunroof. So that means this car came from the factory as a hardtop. Now, same thing. Go up front where the V-strap would go. Look, there's two holes, but there ain't no holes to bolt in. See that? So it was made, all this deadening material was made with these ready to pop out and put screws in. And you can see over here, this is where that rear trim would bolt in at, that little tab. And then you can see the dimple of where that would be, you know, machine screw to self-snapping screw. That's where this one single strap would go. So you'd have two double straps, or the V-strap I call it, and then you'd have the single strap. And it would, since this is not a sunroof car, this car did not come equipped with that. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys. Last thing I wanted to mention was, I have no idea yet, at least, if the T-tops ran with the same, because you know 87 and half of 88 had T-top cars, and those came with bags too. So I would imagine that these straps would be the same, but I need to confirm that. Anyways, please like and subscribe, and thanks very much.